Okay. I mean, I have no faith in these. I have no faith in these Bears, man. I have no faith in it. Damn it. Now I have to reduce my risk on this. Man, I had to probably reduce my risk on this one. Probably to cut this. Hopefully not. Man, freaking Bears. Okay. Hey, good morning, everybody. So, I was in this morning. It looks like a winning position is about to turn into a losing one. I thought the Bears was going to at least touch VWAP. Oh my God. I thought they were going to at least touch VWAP. So I took the position. I walked away from the screen thinking that, I mean, it's going to probably take them a while to get here, but look at that. I had a feeling that they was going to probably come here at 48, but I was thinking, I mean, why would they come here when VWAP is right here? Well, that account's good. Mm. 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 Okay. All right, man. All right, man. All right. All right, dude. Mm. What did I expect, man? What did I expect? What did I expect? Okay. What did I expect from these weak ass Bears? What did I expect? All right, so 442. What did I expect? What did I expect? Stripping them at least touch V-Wall at least. They ain't gonna touch freaking V-Wall for nothing. He just bounces that thing. I mean, I should have. Man, I saw this, but I figured that they were gonna probably bounce it and just do that. They didn't. Uh, Man, I wish this bullish just happened Friday freaking afternoon, man. Okay. Hey, what's up, man?
Oh, nothing much.
What's up, man? Glad to hear your voice, dude. Glad to hear your voice. Yeah, I made a mistake in trusting the Bears, man. I really made the mistake in trusting Bears last night. Uh, I just had a winning position go freaking red on me. Uh, I thought that they was gonna at least come back and touch B-Wop, but no. We all know that Bears get clapped. It's clapping season.
Clap season. You know you can't trust Bears.
Nope. Good morning, my stocks.
Only it's only for a brief moment that you can trust them when they have the, and then even then it's still
A toss up,
it's
yeah,
still
like yeah,
questionable.
yeah. Still a toss up, dude. Still a toss up. So, well,
So I was looking at this last night for AQ, right? Um, and I was thinking around 7:30 that might top out at potentially, but this is the NQ we're talking about. So
yeah. I feel like this is another NQ classic right here, man. It's the run up in pre-market so they can dump it in New York. Uh,
yeah,
but it's super bullish right now. I mean, if they don't find support here at 645, because it's been sitting here at 645 for a while, so we might see that dump here. But I think all we get is probably, I mean, we may get a break of VWAP. Like if we can see price get under 565, we can probably see 485. But but I doubt it though. I doubt it. I doubt it. Hmm. Oh, let me show you guys this. So I know I'm looking for shorts. I'm a bear. I mean, I can't help it. When I see price up is this high, as a bear, I mean, we gotta try to short the shit, yo. We gotta try to short it. But if you take a look, everybody is short, and the institutions are 62% long right now. They're 62% long. So obviously, last week was 62% long. What hurts me the most is that I had an opportunity to go long at the close of Friday's session, but because I was being trying to be cute and look for the quote unquote perfect entry versus the entry that I would have had, oh, I missed that run up. Oh, I missed that freaking run up. So I've been trying to short this shit all fucking night, man. I've been trying to short this all night. Failed miserably. But I am proud to say that I am about to request, I have locked in my second payout request from MFF. So that second request is locked in.
nice, congrats. That's what's up.
Yeah, and if I didn't fumble the bag this morning with this other funded account instead of trading in tilt on it, I don't know why I did it, but I did. Thinking that there's no way that it can keep going higher. Yeah, it can keep going higher.
There's just no way.
As a bear, that's what we tell ourselves. That's why we stubbornly stay in our short positions, even as it goes up.
Yeah, man. It's ridiculous.
Oh man, it definitely is, dude. It definitely is. I mean, they found support. I mean, apparently this, like I said, Friday just must have been a day where they just found better prices, I guess. If you look at Nvidia, damn, dude, that shit can go to 470 on ES. It can go to 470. Let's look at Nvidia. So we talked about Nvidia. We talked about look at Nvidia. Look at that, yo. They bought the damn dip, dude. Man, Nvidia's about to go. Man, Nvidia's about to go, bro.
They caught the dip on Nvidia.
Yeah, look at that, man. They brought that super dip. I mean, we talked about it, man. I think we talked about it 2 weeks ago, last week, that this was a sell on Nvidia, and Friday they finally sold this thing, and I was like, dude, they're not letting this shit touch 90 again. They're not gonna let it touch it. They're gonna buy the dip. They're buying the dip on Nvidia. There's no way that they're going to allow Nvidia to go down too far. Nvidia is not going to allow Nvidia to go down too far. They're playing the same game Tesla did. So, all right. But how's everything going, Smith? I mean, have you been trading? Have you been able to get into anything?
No, I haven't been trading. Just been watching the markets.
Have you?
Yeah, like I said, I've just been sick.
Hmm.
I'm still kind of recovering from that.
Mhm.
Yeah, just been watching.
We might get that drop we was looking for right here. We'll see. Oh, fuck that. No. Yeah, so I'm not gonna lie, man. I've been enjoying this U Profit account. U Profit is definitely might be my new home with this account because even though I'm kind of red in it now because I went short foolishly, I think we can come back. I think we can come back. Or it's gonna hit my stop, and I'm gonna lose $400. Hmm. All right, so let's see what they do here. So I mean, we got the signal to go short. Got the signal to go short. So what I'm gonna wait for is I want to see a break of 465. I want to see the bulls come back, and I want to see this. I want to see them use 645 as resistance. That's what I'm going to be looking for. It's obvious that the bulls are strong. It's obvious that the institutions are more long than short right now. So I want to short this. I feel that in order to get it into a good position, the market has to go down. But I think this move down this morning might have been it for bull. I mean, that might have been it. Now that I look at it, because I mean, we had a two-legged pullback into a. Oh my God, that post lost clarity. I didn't see that shit. Oh my God, dude. All right, so we had a two-legged pullback into support. We had a break of structure. This might be supply. Yeah, it might be. Two-legged pullback into support. Classic and missed it. Wasn't paying attention. Was just only focused on my target. Look at that. Probably might see 557. 557. 537. Yeah, probably like 537, 519. Probably like 507 at the most, possibly. Yeah. Yeah, they're gonna probably come back and buy this. If we do see a dump here, and for whatever reason they do trade it past VWAP, which I highly doubt. Yeah. All right, so that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that confirmation underneath this level. So what's your outlook, man? What do you think the Nasdaq's trying to do this morning?
Well, like I said, I think we get to maybe 700, 730 in that little range before
Hmm.
we see possibly a significant drop. I mean, but looking at it now, I mean, I've shorts, but that's just because, like you said, we natural bears.
Price is too high.
But yeah. But then you got orders on Bookmap for NQ sitting at 800.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm like,
Nah, we probably see that tomorrow. The CPI is tomorrow, I think. I think we see that tomorrow. That's why
yeah.
I might actually put some money in my options account so I can gamble that shit. Let me look at SPY real quick. But SPY got this big giant gap though. SPY got this big giant gap.
Mm. Yeah, it looks like they're trying to protect 650 right now on NQ. We've got some orders down here at 635.
Let's see what they do here. Dude, I don't know, man. I don't know. I think this might be it. I'm thinking us Bears are back. I'm thinking we're back. Because I mean, we got this gap to fill down here. And I'm really thinking that they're gonna want to try to fill that before tomorrow. So I mean, if they don't fill it today, then it's highly likely they fill it tomorrow with CPI. But with options though, you have to wait until the market open to get profits if you're even in profit. So you kind of have to play 40 chess with news with options because you know that the news happens at 7:30, but the market opens an hour afterwards. So you're like, well, maybe they pop it and then drop it, and then by the time the market opens, I'll be in profit. And that's how you get to really try to play short term.
Yeah.
Yeah, going back to that conversation we had previously, dude, I don't think they'll ever change the 24-hour trade option trading thing. I think they'll keep it the same because they've taken away so many people's fortunes overnight that I don't think they're going to change that. We go to World Star, Wall Street Bets. Do you see that people they're not going to sleep at night? They're up 100K, 80K, 60K on like zero DTEs or whatever, and it's overnight. And then by the time the market opens, all that money is gone.
Yeah.
It sucks to be in that situation, but it is kind of funny though. But it sucks. I mean, the only thing you can do at that situation is post it on Wall Street Bets and laugh about it and try to be happy about it, get some karma at least. But so I coulda, woulda, shoulda.
Yeah.
But I mean, the biggest fumble was the guy with GameStop, Ron Kitty, up $1 billion, didn't take no kind of profits. I'm trying to get that. That's how you know that clout is stronger than money. That's how you know. Clout is stronger than money. This man was up $1 billion, didn't take none of it. Oh, I mean, we obviously. Well, he posted. He said that he didn't take anything, but he has a wife, so I'm pretty sure she said, "Dude, you better take some of that shit off." But we all know that dude has a wife. There's no way that she said, "Hold on, you was up $1 billion and you didn't take nothing for internet clout." Okay. Internet clout is more important than water. Someone had to choose between clout and water. They'll choose the clout, baby, because all that drip. You was about to say something?
Yeah, that's the new drug.
Hell yeah. See, man, Bears fan. You Bears, yo. I don't know why I trust you. I don't know why I trust you. I don't know why. I don't know why I trust you. I don't know why. I don't know why I trust you. I wish I can quit you. Man, God, these Bears suck. I just want a short, and they're not getting no kind of traction, dude. I just want a short. God damn, God damn. I just want a short. That's it. I just want to take a short. Oh man. I mean, if we run these highs, I mean, like you said, we could see 730, man. But man, I just want a short. I just want to freaking short this dude. And looking at the higher time frame, I mean, we are trading in a range right now, but the structure is definitely bullish. I mean, we got the 21 and VWAP sitting right here. Man, the Bears ain't getting that far, man. They ain't getting. I mean, if we do see a drop, they're not getting far, dude, at all. Probably like 705 or.
Yeah.
Um, all right. I know I said this before, but I ain't taking no more shorts, man. I ain't taking no more shorts. Oh crap. Yeah, I'm taking no more shorts. All right. All right. So, I mean, obviously we're trending we're obviously trending right now. Um, yeah, Tommy, dude, man, I swear, dude, it looks like a freaking, it does, man. And my bear senses are super tingling right now and saying, dude, short this shit. But man, the bulls are buying every dip. Like this morning, I was in the Think with Bookmap chat, and one of the guys, I was saying that, yo, yeah, last week the Bears only showed up one day, and that was Friday. And the guy was like, "What do you mean? We moved blah 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 from the highs." And I was like, "Dude, in hindsight, we can say that confidently. In hindsight, but if you was in a short last week, aside from Tuesday and Friday, it was a stressful short, and I'm not gonna believe you if you tell me that you wasn't. If you was in a short and you wasn't stressing out with how many times they bought it all week, nah, get the fuck out of here, bro. trying to look cute for the for the chat, trying to look cute. Like, bro, there's no way that you was short in this and felt confident because the bulls kept buying the dip. They kept buying this damn thing. They kept buying it. I mean, unless you had these highs, I mean, you was good. I mean, no one saw this coming on Tuesday. Nobody. We knew that we was going to get a rebalance, but nobody saw this massive move down on Tuesday. That shit just came out of nowhere. Once we started to range, if you were short at the highs and you thought that you was going to get a break of these structure or the break of these lows at 438, 420, you waited all week just to get that break. All week. Nah, bro. If you was short, it was a stressful short, and I ain't gonna. And if you say anything other than that, I'm just not gonna believe you. Because look at that. And so this morning, I was telling Smith, I was like, dude, I was waiting for, market open to get my $100 so I can secure my payout. And I had it all planned out, and I was like, I'm just gonna wait for New York open. Man, as soon as the damn market opened, man, a force literally took over my body, stabbed me at my desk. I opened freaking Ninja Trader 8. Like, dude, it was just a deliberate force that says, nah, we're not playing that stupid game. We're about to sit down at our desk and make this $100 show. I'm laughing about it because I got away with it, but man, yo, I went long in the ES and the Nasdaq. I don't even know, like, dude, it was just this force was like, nah, we're getting this shit over with now. And man, at first I was down. The crazy thing is, uh, I think I was long right here, and then it kept going down. And I was like, fuck, man, I should have waited. And then I just had my target right at $150, I think. So all I needed was $100. I just made $150 just in case on both the ES and Nasdaq. And boy, if I stayed in my long last night, I would have captured this whole entire move. But after this draw right here, I mean, it was playing around so much with it. I was like, nah, I'm just gonna get this $100. I'm just gonna secure the thing and I'm gonna close it. And it's always the position you freaking close. It's always the position you close that works out. The ones that you leave open, that's the one that you be like, fuck, I should have closed it. It's always like that. Like, why is it like that?
Yeah.
So I missed out on this bag right here, man. I missed out on it. The only thing that was giving me confidence in this long, I mean, I would have stayed in this long regardless because shit, either that shit was gonna hit my stop or it was gonna hit my $100 target. There was no in between that. But the only thing that was giving me confidence was that this trend indicator was green, and I was like, okay, as long as it's green, then I know I'm good. And it stayed green. And after I got that pop, after it hit my target, then it shoots up, and shoots up, and I was like, man, whatever, dude. I'll just take the win. You don't want to see your boy win. We'll get you the payout, but you can't be having you winning like that, apparently. Hmm. But yeah, this is the same price action that we saw last night. It was chopping its way to the upside. I mean, the bears was kind of selling it along the way, but yeah. And this is what I'm talking about, Tommy. I know, like sometimes when we talk about taking shorts, and I'll fight the trend sometimes. This is exactly why I would fight the trend and not take the short, because a lot of these opportunities was a lot of these the patterns that were made were short patterns, and it's like on a normal day, the bears should have already had the break of structure and retest the VWAP already, but they ain't had that yet. They're grinding up slowly but surely, so it's obvious they're trying to get somewhere. That's obvious. See, this is why we just can't trust bears no more, man. This is why I don't trade bearish price action. That's why 9 times out of 10 I'll ignore it and go long. All right, we hit 97. Let's see if we're about to get an NQ classic here. Everybody's sitting at 700. We'll see if we'll get that classic NQ. Yeah, Tommy. I mean, dude, this has been happening so much that this is why I just hate like these nasty bull runs where it's like, dude, I mean, can the Bears eat a little bit? I mean, can we get a move? Like, damn, can we eat? Hmm. But yeah, this is why majority of the time I just ignore bearish price action. I mean, unless we're at like super supply. So the only time I will ever look for a short now moving forward is if we have like a strong break of structure. I mean, but even then, like we had a break of structure and they still traded through it, dude. It's like, what the hell? The Bears obviously came and tried to sell the retest, but I mean that got bought through. And then they came up right here using the bears as fuel to move this market up higher right here. And then we got the drop. So it's like, You kind of have to be in the bear matrix for real. If the short is too obvious, then go long. Like I mean, I feel like that's the trend. Like if the short's too obvious, then go long. And if we're super bullish and we start dumping, then that's when we go short because it seems like that's how they play it. Hmm. Yeah, these bulls are being relentless right now. Even with the ES. I mean, if the ES doesn't dump it here, then I mean we're going higher. We're probably gonna go to like the 490, which is absolutely crazy. I mean, we didn't get no pullback or nothing, like no significant pullback or anything. We just went straight up. But I know the Bulls ain't complaining. But on Friday when I was trying to get along, I wish they had this same energy when I was trying to get that along all the way back up to 54.40. Yeah, I was trying to get this last week. So uh, I caught the bottom on Friday. I was targeting for 440. It kept getting rejected at 36. And I was like, okay, this time it has to get to at least 440 at least. Nah, they kept dumping it down. A good thing I got out of my long position because they dumped it towards the end of the session. Mm. And they tore through the 23% like it was nothing, like it was even there. So, I mean, the Bulls got it right now, I guess. I wish I was freaking long right now instead of short. Mm. Well, we're at the 200 EMA on the 15-minute with the Nasdaq, so I mean, we could see the bears try to come in here. We could see it, but at this point, we should know that. I mean, even if they do get a pullback, I mean, there's bears definitely. I mean, there's bulls definitely sitting here at 615 for sure, for sure, for sure. And there's definitely bulls sitting at VWAP. So I mean, the bears have a lot of work to do, which capable of doing it right now. Hmm. Freaking bulls, yo. All right, man. So I'm just gonna reduce my risk on this one. I don't think it's gonna work out, honestly. It's not gonna work out. So I'll just reduce the risk on this. I'll just reduce it. It's not gonna work out. It's obviously that the Bears they're not gonna come in. They're not gonna come in. Yeah, from this point on, I'll just always just wait for the freaking pullback. I'm not shorting anymore. God damn, I hate. I'm not shorting anymore. I'm just not gonna short no more. Yeah, don't let this get your hopes up too high because we all know how this game is played. You're gonna probably bounce it right there at the 50. I mean, right at my break even. You're gonna probably bounce it. The break even games that the market likes to play. All I'm looking for is VWAP. That's it. Or we'll definitely most likely get a bounce. I think the most the Bears will get is probably like right here at VWAP, but we do have this area of support right here at 540. So I'm thinking that's all they get is VWAP before the Bulls start really piling back into this, because there's no way that we got this massive run up like this and that nobody's not going to want to try to buy into this. But the way I was playing it, the reason why I went short is because we had this massive rundown and we didn't even get a double bottom or nothing. And that's what I'm waiting for. Or at least that's what I expected. I expected for the Bears to at least, if not get a double bottom of these lows, at least get a double bottom somewhere in this area. But they haven't done that. And it doesn't look like they're going to. It looks like they're going to continue to trade to the upside and probably get back all the way up to 490. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like right now. The Nasdaq, it just made a short pattern. That's obviously a short, but these bulls are being freaking relentless right now. So I don't know. Okay, so we'll see. We'll see if the Bears can hold that. Oh, that's like do no damn thing. All right, so again, looks like the NQ played the classic, missed the 100 level, and then dump. That's an NQ classic right there. So, all right, so if this is real, then the Bears need to come in right here. The Bears need to come in right here. If this is real. The Bears need to come in right here. And there we go. Hmm. Freaking Bears. I would definitely say that it's definitely fall. The energy right now is so different. We're definitely in the fall season. The energy is not as hype as it was during the summer. Yeah, that's it right there. Definitely it. Right now the Bulls are buying it off. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, these Bears are weak. They're weak. Okay. All right, man. They're weak. They're not taking this seriously. They're not taking this shit seriously at all. They're trying, but they ain't knocking this shit down. All right. So while all retail was short, the institutions were long. And I guess we're seeing it. I guess we're seeing it. 38% short, 62% long. All right. So we're coming up to that level that you was talking about, Smith, if you're still on the mic. That 730 level. So yeah, that shit is not going to. Excuse me. I mean, we are at that break of structure. Bears could be trying to sell that retest right here, but
Dang, MS ran the 720. Oh my
yeah, I know.
gosh.
I know.
Ah,
This is killing my bear brain, dude. Like it hurts, man. This shit hurts. I'm not gonna lie, man. It hurts. It hurts. I was in short and I took that loss. All right. All right. I mean, that's fine. That's fine. I mean, I guess. I mean, what's crazy is that the market is just slowly grinding up doing it too. I mean, is this gonna be a fine moment? Is this a fine, fine, fine? I'll go short. Hmm. The real question is, I mean, the real question is, are they going to? Hmm. I mean, hmm. Huh, huh. Where's price at right now? Price. Um, I mean, if this shit gonna keep going up, I guess. I mean, shit. Hmm. I kind of figured it. I kind of figured that. Man, I feel like if I, you know what? Feel like if I go long, then all of a sudden, all the shit, all the bears gonna somehow come in. After I fought this damn thing. Just wow. Oh my God. Wow. 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 Wow, dude. Wow. 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 Okay. All right. So let's see. Um, Now they're gonna probably go for freaking VWAP now. When they say that you can't make this stuff up, you definitely can't make it up, man. I'm gonna take it. They gonna find support here. I'll take this. I'll take it. But now they're gonna probably go to VWAP though. Um, said ES hit the 618 from Friday's high. 618 from Friday's high. What did you use to what do you use to anchor that, Tommy? Are you going from the top to the bottom, or I'm sorry, are you going from the top to the bottom, or are you going from the bottom to the top? I can't believe that, dude. Now this shit want a short, dude. Like, no, what's a short? Now it wants a short. Can't make this crap up, man. Okay. All right.
Yeah, that's crazy. That mess threw me off.
597. Yeah, it's probably. I mean, dude, is if they find resistance here, if they blast off here, we're going down. But they probably might be trying to go to. I mean, would they go for VWAP? Should they go for VWAP? Huh. I guess I never really realized how much. Yeah, they're probably going for VWAP on this one. They're probably going for VWAP. They would definitely have to blast it here. I mean, if I see, I mean, this is like a, this looks like a, yeah. I'm going for VWAP. All right, man. Top to bottom. Okay. And are you using the Fibonacci extension or the Fibonacci retracement on that one? So you said from Friday's high. Yeah. All right. Okay. Retracement. I know I'm on ES, but or Nasdaq actually. You said top to bottom, huh? And you're talking about from Friday's high to Friday's low, or are you talking about this low right here at 430 or 430? Okay, yeah, I see. Okay, yeah, you hit the 618. Uh, um, okay. So we'll see if they use this as resistance right here, because they probably will. And yeah, I mean, they'll probably get to like the bottom of this because I would highly doubt, that there's no bears sitting here at VWAP. I'm not bears, bulls sitting here at VWAP. I would doubt that. Uh, I mean, I guess that's a win, I guess. It's not really a win, but I guess it's a win. And Nasdaq bears piss me off sometimes. They always come when you least expect them to. Nasdaq bears, dude. They're rainbow in every way. They're just rainbow in every freaking way, man. Okay. Now this thing is looking super bearish, but I mean, it makes sense. I mean, the bears are selling a retest here at this break of structure, so I mean, it makes sense why they came in short here. But what is it? The question is, what does that mean? I mean, are we gonna see that move down? I mean, if we get a break at this, then we're definitely gonna get that double bottom. And that's what I was looking for early this morning. I figured that they'll double bottom it. But of course, after everybody's accounts are blown, that's when the bears come in. And then everybody's gonna now try to be bulls here after this massive run up. Yeah, congratulations on that. Oh, my bad, Spiro. Oh, Spiro. Yeah, Tommy. Yeah, I wasn't that lucky. Wish I was. It would have been nice, but not trusting Nasdaq bears, man. Just not trusting them anymore. They get one clean day of straight price action to the downside, and that's all they get. Yeah, they're definitely going to buy this at VWAP. I mean, if they break this, then I'll flip short. But if they don't break this, then I know that this has a lot more room for upside. At least a retest of this high. At least a retest. But I mean, we do have VWAP and the 200 EMA about to hold price up and give bulls hope. My only concern is that we got the 21 and the 50 EMA sloping to the downside. That's my only concern because obviously, if we have EMA support, then we should be good in our position. But now that we got the EMA sloping to the downside, that concerns me. But I think the 200 in VWAP is going to probably hold here. If they don't, we see a drop. I wish I wasn't as stubborn like that, Tommy, because I'll stay in the trade. I mean, I guess y'all seen that already, but especially on the Nasdaq, on the ES, okay, I'll take. Oh my God, dude! Like my God, I ain't gonna lie, that hurts, man. Oh my God, dude, damn.
Yeah, this is. Wow. Just wow.
You took the bait long.
No, I missed. I caught a risky area because I missed the majority of it.
Mm-hmm.
Like I caught a short that was kind of close to VWAP, which is super risky because the bulls or buyers were, 9 times out of 10 waiting that VWAP
Yeah, for sure.
to come back in. I mean, it worked out, but it was risky. So I was pissed that I missed most of that move.
Yeah. I mean, well, the 15 minutes, the 200 EMA on the 15-minute, I was like, well, damn, dude. Now these bears want to fail. Now these bulls want to fucking fail, dude. All right, man. Like I said, I think they come back in that VWAP. I mean, if they drop it here, then the Bears got it. It's highly likely that they're going to go for that double bottom. But I don't think the Bulls are going to get us up like that. Or at least I'm hoping. Because now I'm in long. I said, fine. None of my 10 shorts worked this morning, so fine. And it's like, oh, is he out? Sir, he did it.
It's like they back there behind the scenes reporting, sir, here's the status of Sharp's trade. He did it.
He longed, he went all in. Dumped it.
Dumped it.
He did it. He went all in.
He did
it. Oh man, my short, my long, no, my long. Oh my god. He went all in. Oh my god, dude.
I'm sorry. That's too funny. Sir.
He went long. He went all in. Oh my god, that is so funny, dude. That's hilarious.
Man, I'm over here crying. Oh my gosh.
Me too.
I needed that. Oh my goodness. As he's talking about it, it just dumps. This is super dumps. Sir. You did it.
He said fine. He's going long. He went all in. So let's see if they'll try to dump it here. Like the bastards that they are. Oh man. All right, man. Yeah, I mean either we see like a flush here or they find support. Yeah. It's either or. But I think the Bulls are going to try to come back here. I mean, shit. They was here the entire morning. I don't know where the hell they went. Shit. Where y'all go? Where y'all go at?
So I'm looking now. Obviously, this could still drop further, but I'm looking at the 15-minute. It kind of double bottomed on the 15, or it's like right, and there's a lot of I would say like support here, but
I mean, I agree. I mean, we're finding support, and you can see that the trend is starting to turn green. We're here at this 565 support. I mean, as long as the bulls can hold this, as long as they can hold it, we're good. I don't think we get a retest of the highs, but we can at least get a retest of 645 for sure. We can see that.
Yeah.
Bastards. But that was a good laugh, though. I was over here crying too, man. That shit was funny. He did it.
Who did it?
Shit, you wait for confirmation, and then all the profits are going.
Yeah, but I'm gonna call it here. I caught some of the short on some scalps.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call it here because I made some mistakes earlier as that mess was climbing up and giving false when I needed to wait for the real drop.
Yeah.
10 points off though. I said 730, between 700 and 730 range, but I knew if they took 700, they'd probably try to go for 730, but 10 points off.
Yeah, I'll call it here if I get stopped out. I'll call it because I mean at this point, obviously, I'm not seeing the market right now. Obviously, I mean I'm going short obviously in areas where hey it should go short here. They're giving out the false signals of going short and then they're not doing it. And now it's like okay, so what I should have did was recognize that yeah, I mean they shorted at that retest, but god damn, dude. They shorted at the retest. But it seemed like they didn't want to, like, they seemed like they really did not want to short this damn thing at all. Like, this thing just kept going. And of course, my long position down is now, my position is down 200. I'm in the U Profit account and I went long right here and my position is down like 200 to 300 right now, dude. So I'm crying. I'm crying.
Oh, the U Profit account is a trading view?
Yeah, it's trading view. Yeah.
Well, that's cool, I guess.
Yeah, they went the Top Step X route. And Top Step X has more indicators and more features and stuff. This is just straight trading view. So they said trading view is good enough. I mean,
yeah.
I mean it's decent. The only thing that you have to manually put in your trades. Like that's the one thing I absolutely hate. You got to manually put in your trades. I mean, I guess I could put it in on the DOM, I guess, but I'm not a DOM trader.
No, they don't have like one-click trading.
Nah, which absolutely sucks. Yeah. Yeah, and then it absolutely sucks. You really gotta. So this is how I gotta put in my. You gotta put in your trades like this, which sucks. This sucks, bro. But we'll see. I got my 1-to-1 trade on right now. Looks like the Bears want my stop, but we'll see. And I only got $1,000 of static drawdown. So the good thing, what really makes this account work, what makes it work is that I mean their 9K account is that they have a daily loss limit attached to that. So even if they do, so like if they have that glitch to where it updates the break even every day, it doesn't matter if it goes down as long as I don't touch that $1,000 static. As long as I don't touch 29K, because I think it's a 30K account and they give you $1,000 of static drawdown. So as long as my account doesn't touch 29K, It doesn't matter where my break even's at. So this account is literally a personal account. You're paying $62 for $1,000, which I think is the best deal in the game right now. It's the best deal in the game. They have a 30% consistency rule. You can swing it over the weekend. You can swing it during the week. How can you beat something like that? And that's why I was kind of upset that I missed my entry on Friday trying to be cute. And I should have just went long. But I was being cute for some reason. And man, I would have caught this freaking long up, man. I can only make $400 a day though, because I think I got to trade for 5 days, 30% consistency rule. So you might as well just make like the 4K a day. I mean the 4K, $400 a day, and be done. And once you get into go ahead.
I was gonna say that consistency rule drops once you get funded, right?
Yeah, in the live in phase 3. So obviously the eval and then the simulated funded, and then when they put you in a live account, it's basically a free account. It's really good, man. It's in beta, yeah, so go ahead.
No, I would say that is a good deal.
Yeah, it's in beta right now, so we don't know. They said they haven't decided if they're going to keep the price the same or if they're going to change it. Hopefully they keep it the same because this is what's going to revive their company. I mean, obviously, they serve the Hispanic community. Most of their customers are from in Spanish countries. And I don't think they're hurting for real business. I don't think so. Because if they were, they would have changed a long time ago. I mean, you don't see them keeping up with these other prop firms that only, I guess they really focus on like I guess American customers, I guess. But I think we might see a pump here. I think we might see a pump. I mean, if they can hold this, I might have blown this account. I might have blown this account being foolish. Yeah, I blew the account. All right, so this account is gone. I don't need to have this. So I really don't know what it is. I don't know why, but for some reason, my foolishness knows no bounds at times. When I say that account had no reason to be blown, I had so many opportunities to be super profitable in that account, but I kept telling myself, just let it ride, baby, just let it ride. Just let it ride. And I just hate the fact that every time I deviate from my plan, I fail. I hate that so much. It just goes against, well, this long is done. This long is done. I got my stop at 530. I mean, if they don't find support here, then this long is done. Yeah, this long is done. They don't find support here. I mean, we are underneath this neckline, so I mean, if the bulls can't push past this and start making their way to the upside, then I'm thinking that the market is going to want to at least double bottom at 386, which is going to completely suck if they do, man. Because I was trying to short this damn thing all darn night.
But all right, bro, I'm about to head out. I'm calling it for the day.
All right.
Kind of mixed results, but
yeah. All right, dude.
All right. Later.
Yeah, so Yeah, Tommy, it's definitely a good deal, man. It's definitely a good deal. Um, I'm gonna probably focus on this U Profit account more often and just trade in the sim with this because I really don't have any other accounts and I'm not gonna buy anymore. Not with this deal with U Profit. I mean, this U Profit account really fits my personality. I mean, I'm an intraday swing trader anyway, so just being able to swing overnight and actually just finding a good position and just sitting in the position instead of trying to find. I mean, I'm still find intraday swings, of course, but not having to worry about, oh man, if I gotta find a new entry every single day, I can just stay in a good position until it hits my intended target, and I absolutely love that. Absolutely love that. And then I guess I do have one more account that I can that I do have one more account, but it's gonna get activated probably tonight or tomorrow, something like that. Probably activated tonight or tomorrow. Hmm. Yeah. Freaking rainbow bears. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. That's just gonna hit. I mean, let me look at this real quick. Make sure that my stop is not like literally at a area where they could bounce it. Um, I mean, if they're gonna bounce it, they'll do. Put this at 511. Yeah, because I mean they could bounce it here. It's what they're gonna. It's really what they're gonna do here at this. Mm. It is definitely fall. I don't feel the fire anymore in the markets, man. I don't feel it. I don't feel the fire anymore. Uh, the markets are very sleepy, and yeah, look at that break, dude. Look at that. Huh. The markets are definitely very sleepy right now. Yeah, people definitely tried to short this 382 on the ES. Hmm. All right, so this is going to be the test for the bulls right here. This is going to be the test. I mean, they got to hold this. They got to break through this level. So right here is going to be either we're going to see a push up or we're going to see a push down. Because the Bears, they have to hold this. They have to make a continuation, but it does look like the Bulls are going to at least test VWAP here. Hmm. It'd be right exactly at that low. Okay. All right, so let's see what they do here. The trend is your friend until it ends, baby. Hmm. You bought? Even to leave. Dump it. All right. What? I'm sitting there looking at this. I need to look at the ES. All right. Look at this. Oh shit, man. Ah, yeah, okay. That's definitely going to be a long. That's definitely a long. Hmm. I can get to this. I can get in long right here on the ES as well. Uh, yeah, like 3 or something. Man, come on. I ain't chasing this market. Damn it. I'm not chasing it, man. So I was trying to get in long on the Nasdaq and the ES in my account, but that's kind of why I have to stay vigilant on this. And I'm gonna probably cancel this order because I mean the ES, you can't play those games with the ES. You can't play the games that you play on the Nasdaq with the ES. There we go, baby. There we go. You can't play those games because with the ES, a couple of points can be it can determine if you get your target hit or not. That's how crucial that every point is on the ES. 57. So I'll put it at. I'll actually put another. I'll put another order on this, and I'll buy a limit. And if it hits it, it hits, and if it don't, it don't. Oh crap. Oh, okay. All right. I see you. ES. I see you. All right. So where can this go? This can possibly go to 463 for sure. But I'm going to. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna put that much risk on. All right, so I mean, that would be absolutely lovely, but that would definitely not be beneficial to me. That would definitely not be beneficial. So if I go to 68, I mean, they probably could, but 66. Mm. So it's definitely going to be what they do here. I mean, obviously the Bears dropped it again. I mean, if you get a break of this low, then that would be bearish. But I think the Bulls got it. I think the Bulls got it. I think I'm good in this position. I think I'm good. That's the wrong one. Or maybe not. Or maybe not. Or maybe not. Yeah, I guess this morning really threw me off. It really threw me off this morning. I mean, I know we hit that area of supply, but damn, these bulls are just they just gave it up. They really just gave it up. I wonder what's up with that. It seems like that is now the new trend. So I mean, I guess we're now in a new season, and now we're gonna have to adapt to uh I guess that seasonality, that behavior that comes with each season. I guess from the spring to the summer, Bulls did not give up anything. Now it seems like they're getting to their targets and they're just walking away. And that has now been a trend with the Bulls now for some reason. So just gonna have to adapt to that. That is not bullish. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I agree. I guess we're gonna have to step away from, dude. I guess I'm just gonna have to readjust again. Dude, 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 dude. Yeah. I'm just gonna have to adjust. Maybe the Bears price action now. Now I guess now it works. Now I guess we have to respect it now. And I'm not gonna lie, that's gonna be an adjustment. That's gonna be a challenging adjustment because now the question is, now that bearish price action works, when will it work and when will it not? Hmm. On days like these, man. Days like these. Days like these. All right, man. All right. We're at the top of this range right here, so we'll see. I mean, we're at the top of this range. Let me draw this out. I mean, we'll see what they do here. I mean, we're at the top of this range right here. This is technically where the break of structure happened. So is the bulls going to buy the retest, or are they going to try to fill this gap right here? All right, man. This is becoming like a habit now. I'm just not freaking reading. All right, like 43. Make sure. All right, so now let's see. I think the ES is about to pump to the upside, though. I think we're about to see a move on the ES for sure. Um, I mean, I don't think we see that, do we? I mean, yeah, we're about to see that move now. God damn it, NQ. Always breaking my freaking heart with that bullshit that you do. Always breaking my heart, man. Always breaking my heart. Always breaking my heart, dude. Ah, man. Okay. All right, so 535. I'm gonna try this long. I'm gonna try this long one more time, man. One more time. This is like what? 33? Oh no, that's not it. Oh. Okay, let me take profit. I kind of want to do that like that. All right. So I mean, we saw that bounce on the ES. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna probably miss it now. Yeah, I'm thinking that the Bulls got it. I think they're gonna at least retest 593 possibly, and then they probably might just go back all the way up here to 645 potentially. Potentially. I mean, if they can find support here, break my freaking heart, NQ. Shit that you do. All right. Oh no, no problem. Funded prop trader. No, it's I would always prefer. I would always prefer to be a bear, but this year is just I've just kind of grown tired of being in stressful shorts. I guess for right now, I just would rather be wrong in the long. Kind of grow tired of it, in my opinion. Well, for me, I just kind of grow tired of being right. The Bears not getting their rotation, the Bulls buying it back up, and then finally the Bears get it. Like after like news or something crazy. I do make mistakes at the like at breaker structures and stuff like that because I'll see it but it's just so hard to trust it. It's just so hard to trust it. It really is. At least for me, it is. At least with the, I guess with the long, I guess I can have hope on my side that the Bulls would do it. When I'm in a short, it's just freaking stressful because you just don't know when the Bulls are gonna pop back up. The Bulls, like, sometimes you just gotta pop up and show them. You just gotta pop up and show them. And I mean, even if you were in short, I mean that 720 short was great. That was a great short. That was a 200-point short if he was on that side of the market. But I mean, you got 200 points and the market moved up 4. So I mean, yeah, like I said, I just don't trust the bearish price action because I mean, either you got the 400 points going up or you caught the 200 points going down. So it's like the Bulls just got it. I mean, the Bulls just got it, I guess. And as a bear, I hate every second of it because, like I said, I see bearish price action. Like I'll see double tops before I see double bottoms because that's how much I enjoy being a bear. And it just sucks when I see the double tops. It's like, damn, can I trust it? Can I take a short here? Can I trust that the bears are actually going to break structure and actually get a move down? So I will say that it sucks, dude. I ain't gonna lie, it sucks. But I mean, the Bulls are gonna have to try to get over. I mean, the Bears are gonna have to hold 565 for sure. I mean, right now the Bulls are, I guess they're trying to gear back up. I mean, the momentum is to the downside. We are trending down. I'm not blind to that at all. We are on a downward trend. At least for right now, we are. But they are finding support. Mm. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to probably just come back tomorrow. I'm gonna have to probably come back tomorrow on this one because they ain't gonna be easy. And then I think we got CPI tomorrow, I think, as well. No, we don't. I'm playing that stupid game with the Nasdaq. Not today. Not today, dude. Yeah, we got CPI on Wednesday. So I probably might play options on CPI for sure. I probably might play options. Yeah, we got PPI on Thursday. But I mean, as long as we got CPI before PPI don't even matter for real. The red book doesn't matter. We got a presidential debate tomorrow. Ooh, at 8 o'clock. Ooh, presidential debate. Forgot about that. They've been saying that Kamala Harris has been trying to weasel her way out of this one. She's, I guess, the rumors are that her and her team are trying to find a way out of this because, um, I mean, let's just be completely honest. She's not a strong candidate, and I'm surprised that they chose her to be the candidate. Even Biden was a better candidate than her with his dementia. So it's like it's kind of crazy to say that people trust in a person that Biden is doing better than, which is crazy. But I mean, we live in a crazy world, so um, yeah. So we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, I guess. Okay. All right, guys. That's it for me. I got my second payout. I mean, if that's gonna be the only win I have today, well, that's gonna be my only win. I got that locked in, so I'm gonna request that later on today. And I should have my 100 and I'll get it this afternoon. I should get it this afternoon. I, playing these stupid games. Yeah, playing these stupid games. So, but all right, yeah, I should have my I should have the account. I mean, they make it available to me tonight, then I should have it tonight. But if not, we'll have it on, I guess, Wednesday. But yeah, I didn't have any accounts to really trade, so the only account I have is a TradingView one. So, which I probably won't even have anymore. Because now they're just shorting this thing, and it's like, dude, what the hell? What the hell? I was trying to short this damn thing all damn day, and now this shit wants to short. Like, the hell? Ugh. And I wasn't even looking for nothing for real. I wasn't even looking for big moves or anything. I was just looking for 15 to 20 point plays. And yeah. Uh, yeah, I'm just gonna get out this long. I'm gonna get out of it. I'll just take the loss and I'll just come back tomorrow because we just had to break a structure here, so they're gonna probably come back and try to sell 448. All right, guys. We'll do this again tomorrow. Peace out.